Number 2. Catching a yawn can help us bond. The workday has just begun, and you're ready to get lots done. You're sitting at your cubicle during your morning meeting when the guy next to you lets out a big, loud, obnoxious yawn. Before you know it, you're yawning yourself, but you're not even tired. That's a response yawn. There are various theories explaining why yawns are contagious. One of the leading ones being that response yawns demonstrate empathy. This explains why young children that haven't yet developed a sense of empathy, or those on the autism spectrum, are less likely to response yawn. Number 3. We care more about a single person than about massive tragedies. In another University of Pennsylvania study, researchers examined people's behavior as it related to donating to causes based on certain stimuli. One group was shown a starving young girl. The second group was told a statistic about millions of people dying of hunger. And the third group was taught about both. Those who heard only about the statistic donated the least, followed by those who heard about both. Those who heard about the little girl donated double what the statistic group did. Psychologists attribute this to the fact that if a problem feels too big, we feel helpless and insignificant, like our efforts won't have any payoff.